Today I've got an assignment for you. This is going to be kind of a quick one. It takes less time, I would say, than the longer assignments, and therefore it will be less weighted in the gradebook. This one's making your own magazine cover. You should see a link to Canva in the assignment, and when you click on that, it should take you to the magazine covers that they want to do. If you are not logged into this, let me sign out so I can sign back in. If you're not logged in, you'll hit log in with Google and you should be able to find your school account there. Okay. So that's how I was already logged in. But when you go to the magazine covers like this, you should be able to look at some of the options. Choose one that you think is beautiful and you can change things. You can change the color schemes, the lines, whatever you want. So I'm going to just pull one up here and use the template. Just pick one you like. I wanted you guys to see Canva because it's an online tool and it's free. There are places where they'll ask you for some money for some of the more complex designs, but for the things that we're looking at today, I'm just going to use the freebie stuff. You can change the words, you can change the picture, you can change all sorts of things. They'll give you some little pop-up suggestions if you're a first-time user. So make a magazine cover for a publication that you would want to read, right? Make sure that it is school appropriate. But you can like double click the picture and then you can change things about the picture. Like here's different photos you can add. Instead, you can add, I don't know why I put the girl doing yoga in that picture. But you can do all sorts of different things to it. You can add different elements. I don't want to add a video. You can add some sort of text, headings, whatever, backgrounds, things that you think are particularly beautiful. Your choice, your decision. You can move things around. Okay, so play with it and come up with the way you think it ought to look, change the name of the publication, whatever. When you finish it, this button up here says download. PDF print is suggested, and that's what I'm going to ask you to use is PDF. So PDF, and actually this is a 5-page document. I only want the front page. So if you can manage to do it like that, you'll click just page one. Well, let me select it. Done and download. Come on, download. What it's going to do, my gosh, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the downloading feature here. There it goes. It says it's preparing my design and downloading it. And it actually downloaded to the same way. You see that down there now? Downloaded the same way that most things would. So the downloads folder in my computer, if you don't know where the downloads folder is, you can just go to like this PC or whatever and find the downloads. That's the document. So now I've got this piece and I've made it, and if I open it up, it'll just open as a PDF, and there it is. That's part of what I need for this assignment. If you look, I have this Google form attached. There it is. And I'm going to add the file. And upload it. And then, which design feature stands out the most to you in the magazine cover you made? Well, I just made this magazine cover, right? And I did a terrible job, honestly, because it's really hard to read the words here. But I made a magazine cover, and I'm going to now look at this and say, do I think it's got good line, color, shape, texture, space, form, typography? Let's say that I think it's got particularly nice typography, and then explain why that's such good typography. Give me a couple of sentences here that tell me why you think you did a good job with that. When you submit this, and this is the thing that's been bothering a lot of you, it doesn't say it's done. It says it's assigned. If you are inclined, you can just hit mark as done. And there it is. Now it says it's turned in. Okay. That's what I need you to do for one of your 2 grades this week. The other one is going to be very, very similar to what we did last week. Good luck to you guys, and get in touch if you need anything. Use Remind, use that number I have for texting, send me an email. If you look right here on this tiny URL I posted, this is all my details. This is a number I have set up just for text messages. This is my email address. I'm usually here in my home office between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. I take lunch from 12 to 1, more or less. So I should be able to get back in touch with you pretty quickly if you need some help with any of this. As per my usual now, my new normal, we're going to assign things Monday and we're going to take them in on Friday. So you have between Monday and Friday to get this knocked out. You have plenty of time, but don't wait till the last minute. So that's all. Get in touch if you need anything and good luck. I hope you all design something beautiful.